Bring back one of these people, but they'll die in a week. Be 10,000 times luckier than the usual person, but the first person you see when you press share and more dies. Live in one of those movies, but you will have to be the main character. Get $10 every time you fart, but you can only eat beans. Everyone who is homeless becomes a millionaire, but you turn homeless instead. Get this pizza, but only if your battery percent is over 60%. Be the voice actor of the main character in GTA 6, but you won't ever be able to play the game